Building pathology is an interdisciplinary and holistic approach which recognizes that buildings do not exist in isolation but necessarily interact with occupants and their surroundings. There are three primary activities of building pathology. Cracked walls are caused by the fluctuations in moisture levels that causes the expansion or contraction of a building materials. This exerts pressure on the walls, which over time causes the walls to crack. To repair a cracked wall, first clean the crack by using a scraper. Apply filler into the crack. Before that, don't forget to dampen the crack with some water. Finally, remove excess filler by using the scraper. The water stains on the ceiling could be caused by damage or old waterproofing layer. Weather conditions such as storms or mechanical damage can deteriorate the waterproofing membrane. Therefore, water seeps through the tiny gaps to stain the ceiling. Waterproofing membrane spans for about 15 to 20 years on average depending on the material used. On the other hand, the water stains saw on the toilet's exterior could be caused by a build-up of condensation. Water can become trapped without proper insulation and ducts. With nowhere to exit, the trapped water will stain the walls. To fix water stains, first we have to perform a structural check to assess for any dips. This helps us to determine whether to repair or replace. Next, scrape off any damage. After that, apply 2 coats of drywall mud in thin layers for best coverage. And finally, apply primer and also paint onto the damaged area. Concrete slab surface scaling and flaking is caused by a lack of curing. After placement, the concrete surface dries out before gaining enough strength. Improper finishing of concrete surface will trap water at the surface, which causes a weak surface layer. To patch a damaged concrete surface, make sure the hole is free from dust and contaminants by sweeping away any loose material. Pour the concrete mixture into the hole after mixing. Leave it to dry. Both mold and efflorescence occur when there is excessive moisture levels in the air. Dampness, poor indoor air quality, and a lack of air ventilation becomes the favorable environment for mold and efflorescence to occur. There are several ways to remove efflorescence from masonry surfaces. The first way is to brush it off with a stiff brush. Another way is to wash it off with a garden hose or pressure washer. We can also use chemical cleaners specifically designed to remove it. To avoid the growth of mold, make sure that there is good general ventilation throughout the space, including exhaust ventilations.